Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick how-to on foam rolling your back. Here's the area that we'll be covering, and you'll notice that line begins above the low back. To get started, you want to slightly recline back onto your foam roller, placing it just above the low back to make sure that we're not mobilizing the lumbar spine. With fingertips slightly behind the head, you're going to recline onto your foam roller and let those elbows fall out wide. From there, we'll make small passes back and forth, working our way from that starting point above the low back up to the upper back. As you roll, we want to look for any knots or particularly tender spots as we're moving. Once you've made it all the way to the top, work your way back down, covering any of those tender areas. After this, we'll move on to rolling side bends for additional mobility. With the elbows wide and fingertips behind your ear, perform side bends. Bending side to side, getting long through the ribs on one side, short on the other side, and continuing that rolling up and down. This action is going to mobilize the spine laterally, enhancing your overall spinal health and flexibility. Transitioning now to the shoulder blades, bring your elbows together in front of your face. Concentrate on the area between your shoulder blades, maintaining deep, steady breaths as you roll. Next, we'll perform gentle back bends to counteract seated rounded postures. Place the foam roller just above the low back. With arms slightly bent, extend back, exhaling as you reach down. Inhale, bring your body forward to reset. Do 2 to 3 back bends at each point before moving the roller up for another set. Never force these movements. Let your mobility increase naturally over time. Forcing your body into positions too fast, too soon can cause injury. Focus on what feels achievable today and gradually progress. Feel free to re-roll any areas that need extra attention, especially after the back bends.